so goddamn. That was really good. That was having Oculus spawn there was like just free. It makes Oculus just free for that round.
Exacto.
And the fact that I fucked that up more times than I can count is just embarrassing to me, okay?
Oh my god. Double gunslinger right off rip. No, triple. Oh my god, this is a run. Guys.
Uh-huh.
This is the
Okay,
run.
there's 2 dummies left. How am I gonna die to these dummies?
You're gonna shoot them and you're gonna live. And you're gonna get on a ladder right now.
No, I just look for them. I lose the savant here.
No! Oh my god, never punished.
What was I thinking when I made this beat? What the fuck?
Oh.
A double jump's so good, it got you.
I do these impressive feats of skill, and then I just die to Oculus.
It's okay.
I'm so washed.
Holy shit, this is it. Maybe.
And I'm like, what's up, danger?
I should. I don't think Oculus is as I need to get really good at Savant. Hello.
Come on!
Actually, I know what I need to do. I need to stop fucking interacting with Savant.
You should interact with me.
If I'm losing to Rage Bait, then I should stop interacting with it to begin with. What do I think of this? Genuinely though, as long as I don't collect any of these curses, there's nothing Savant or the other Chud can do. I can do it very well, so I don't want to try. Oh, right. These emblems are just, they're nasty, man. I could have just stayed up there. That would have been so awesome. Chair boxes on floor 1. Inox. I might just be washed. water. Ooh, that was quaint.
That was good. That was clean.
Alright, could have shot that guy.
Come on, come on, come on. Let's go. Yes! Let's go. I just beat 400% no keyboard.
You do 3%.
No vid, no dead.
keyboard?
No, we're making a vid right now.
Can I beat confinement?
Yes, yes, you can.
No.